Hi guys, Raffy Bee is here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I last uploaded a video and I am very excited because today we are going to do another vlog. Wow, after a long time. And ito try natin ang makeup ng character sa avatar. So let's see if kaya ko. You have to prepare all the materials you need, the brushes, all the foundation, the makeup. I'm not a professional makeup artist, so let's try. Let's go. So ayun na nga, the first thing that you need to do is to apply the foundation on your face. I-blend mo siya ng maayos and make sure puting-puti talaga ang face mo para ipalit ka na sa logo ng Koji-san. Char. Step 2. Start drawing the details on your face. And start filling the details with blue eyeshadow. So I used eyeshadow for this detail kasi why not? Eyeshadow lang yung available, wala nang iba. At foundation. And now ladies and gentlemen, ang eyeshadow ay nagagamit na according to its purpose. With the same color, do the nose line to make your nose appear bigger and more defined. Use black eyeshadow to make your eyes look fiercer and visually strong. And maglagay din ng eyeshadow sa ilalim ng mata to make your eyes look bigger. Work on with highlights. You can experiment using other shades of blue to achieve depth in your face. Don't forget to apply some makeup on your neck so your face won't look isolated from your body and it won't look like a mask. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye!